Hey y'all, this is your girl Skinny Jenny Fitness, and I'm coming back to you today with another food video, and it's kind of sort of healthy. I would like to say our low carb chicken strips featuring our boo sauce. Let's get it. So first you want to clean and wash your chicken. I mean, it's imperative that you do this. You do not want to catch salmonella poisoning. Next, you want to go ahead and start seasoning your chicken. You can use whatever seasoning you want, but I'm using the Kingsford garlic and herb seasoning, some Italian seasoning. Also, I'm going to use some paprika seasoning to give it a little color, and then I'm going to mix it up. Now, I'm at home, so don't worry about me using my hands, okay? Next, you want to go ahead and dip your chicken in your egg batter or mixture. It's only some beat eggs or whatever. And then you want to take your chicken and toss it in some breadcrumbs. This is so super easy, y'all. So once you're done tossing it, it's going to look something like this. Then you're going to go ahead and transfer it to your air fryer and spray it with some cooking grease or cooking spray. Everyone's air fryer is different, but for me, I set mine on 20 minutes on the chicken setting, and I kind of set it for like that timer for the 10-minute mark to catch myself so I can turn it over and spray it again with my cooking spray, if that made any sense. So while we're waiting on our chicken to finish cooking and everything, we're going to go ahead and work on our boo sauce. Now, one thing I did not show you was I added some black pepper. So you're going to start with mayo. You're going to do some ketchup. And then you want to also put you some Worcestershire sauce in there. I'm probably saying it so wrong. I added some of my garlic and herb seasoning. Y'all, I live by the seasoning. It's so good. And then my black pepper that I didn't film, but black pepper seasoning, I put that in there as well. You're gonna mix, and by this time your stuff should have reached 10 minutes. You want to take it out and flip it and spray it. Put it back in there for another additional 10 minutes, or if you see it cooking, you can just stop it right there. And this is the finished product, y'all. This stuff was so doggone good, I could have ate myself to death. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.
Hard times, it only made me stronger. I fell down a lot as times got older, but it only made me smarter. Young, waiting on his karma. Bitch, woman, turn to a star.